Namaste everyone. A warm good evening and a dear welcome to Women Talk. I'm Dr. Pratibha Case, Coordinator, Department of Biotechnology and NSS Program Officer. Your host for today's international webinar on laughter yoga, organized by Keli Society's S. Nizhigappa College, Bangalore. National Service Scheme Unit under the guidance of Internal Quality Assurance Cell initiated program. We are very proud to host this international webinar on laughter yoga. Distinguished today's speaker, Dr. Rakesh Shah, MD, Honorable Dr. Arun Kumar B. Sonappan, Principal, KLE Societies, yes, Sringappa College, Dr. Mahananda B. Chittavadigi, Principal, IQAC Coordinator, various heads of the department, esteemed colleagues, delegates, students, and NSS volunteers. Before proceeding towards today's international webinar, I feel it's my privilege and honor to introduce briefly about our institute, Keli Society and Keli Society's S. Nizhigappa College. Keli Society is one of the prestigious and largest educational society, not only in India but also at global level, under the dynamic leadership of our honorable chairman, Dr. Prabhakar Koreji, sir. The society proudly manages with dedicated number of institutions, up to 270 in various fields of education, including research in India and abroad quality concept. Ladies and gentlemen, Keli Society S. Nizhigappa College, affiliated to Bengaluru City University, re-accredited by NAC at A+ grade, college with UGC strength component 1. Yes, Nizhigappa College has been enforced and having many online programs for the benefit of the society. Yes, Nizhigappa College management welcomes all the participants across country for this international webinar on laughter yoga. The main sole objective of today's webinar to imbibe love in our day-to-day life. The best therapy for happy and healthy life is love. So love every day. If you want to be a master of your own destiny, if you want to take charge on entire karmic process and every karmic imprint, just laugh, laugh, laugh. Any occasion needs divine blessings of the Lord Almighty. Let us invoke divine grace of Lord by Miss Diksha, Keli Society's Nizhigappa College. She is one of the alumni of this college. Now over to Miss Diksha. Diksha is not audible.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, now it's audible. No, it's not audible.
Ma'am, it's not audible.
Yes, we are solving this.
Okay.
Yeah, Diksha. Diksha.
I don't see her.
Yeah, Diksha, kindly proceed.
Yeah, Diksha, kindly proceed.
You can hear me, ma'am?
Yeah.
You can hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah.
Radhe Krishna,
Radhe Krishna,
Radhe Krishna,
Radhe Krishna,
ಓದಿಕೊಂಡು ಆಗಿತಯ್ಯ ಬೃಂದಾವನಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯದನಿಗೆ ರಾಧೆಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬೇಗ ಬಾರೋ ನೀ ನಲಿದಾಡೋಣ ಹಾಡೋಣ ಓಡಿ ಬಾರೋ ನಲಿದಾಡೋಣ ಹಾಡೋಣ ಓಡಿ ಬಾರೋ ತಕ್ಕಿ ಪದಂಗ ನುಡಿಗಳ ತಾಳ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತರಿಕಿಟ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಟ ಮೇಳ ನುಡಿಯಲು ನಟಿಸುವೆ ನೀ ತಕ್ಕಿ ಮದಂಗ ನುಡಿಗಳ ತಾಳ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಿರುಗಿಟ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಟ ಮೇಳ ನುಡಿಯಲು ನಟಿಸುವೆ ನೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಟಿಸುತ್ತ ನಲಿಸುವೆ ನೀ ರಾಧೆಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬೇಗ ಬಾರೋ ನಲಿದಾಡೋಣ ಹಾಡೋಣ ಓಡಿ ಬಾರೋ ನಲಿದಾಡೋಣ ಹಾಡೋಣ ಓಡಿ ಬಾರೋ ಹೂಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲಗಿತ್ತು ಕಾಡು ಮೇಡು ಮಲಗಿತ್ತು ಗೋಪಿಗೆ ಮಲಗಳಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೋ ಹೂಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲಗಿತ್ತು ಕಾಡು ಮೇಡು ಮಲಗಿತ್ತು ಗೋಪಿಗೆ ಮಲಗಳಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೋ ಅವಳು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಿನ್ನ ಮರೆಯಲಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೋ ರಾಧೆಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬೇಗ ಬಾರೋ ನೀ ನಲಿದಾಡೋಣ ಹಾಡೋಣ ಓಡಿ ಬಾರೋ ರಾಧೆಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬೇಗ ಬಾರೋ ನೀ ನಲಿದಾಡೋಣ ಹಾಡೋಣ ಓಡಿ ಬಾರೋ ನಲಿದಾಡೋಣ ಹಾಡೋಣ ಓಡಿ ಬಾರೋ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Thank you, Ms. Diksha. That was
Thank you, Ms. Diksha. That
really a
was
beautiful rendition.
really a beautiful rendition.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have amongst
Ladies
us
and gentlemen, we
eminent
have
resource
amongst us
person, Dr.
resource
Rakesh
person,
Shah, MD from
Dr. Rakesh
Atlanta,
Shah,
USA.
MD from
On
Atlanta,
behalf of
USA.
KLE Societies
On
S,
behalf of
Chilingappa
KLE
College,
Societies S, Chilingappa College,
management, principal, heads of
management,
various
principal,
department,
heads of various
faculty, on
departments,
behalf of NSS
faculty, on
volunteer,
behalf of
we welcome
NSS
you, sir.
volunteer, we welcome you, sir. All right, thank you, Pratibha ji, for a warm welcome, and thank you, Diksha, for a wonderful prayer that we started this session with. First of all, I'd like to thank the whole Karnataka Lingayat Society for inviting me second time. You know, I remember doing a first seminar for your Navi Mumbai College few months back, and we had a great response. Now, are you able to hear me okay?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Yes, sir, it's audible. Okay,
Thank you,
perfect.
sir.
Thank
Once
you, sir.
again for joining us. Now, I would like to
us.
welcome our honorable principal, Dr. Arun Kumar B. Sonapanivar, sir. He is the driving force behind all our S. Nijlingappa College events. We welcome you to this webinar,
We
sir.
welcome you to this webinar, sir.
Thank you, madam. Please go ahead.
Thank you, madam. Please go ahead.
I also welcome IQAC
I also
coordinator
welcome IQAC
of various department, faculty, delegates, NSS volunteer and student fraternity to this wonderful session, Laughter Yoga. Now, the time has come to introduce credentials of today's esteemed invited speaker, Dr. Rakesh Shaji. I feel it's extremely honored to introduce today's speaker, Dr. Rakesh Shah, MD from Atlanta, USA. It is a really a privilege to have him as resource person of today's webinar. Dr. Shah, accomplished emergency medicine practitioner from Ahmedabad. He has studied MBBS at VS Hospital and MD Medicine at Civil Hospital, DM Oncology at MP Shaw Cancer Hospital, and Sir has received a gold medal in MD Medicine and DM Oncology at Gujarat University. He is a member of board certified in internal medicine USA during the year 1998. Sir has received many fellowships. To mention few, University of Arkansas, Digital Rock, then Frederick Stinson Cancer Research Center, Seattle, Washington, etc. Sir has blessed with supporting wife Kashmira and son Slok and Steven. Then Sir has some hobbies like traveling, writing, reading, and doing meditation and listening to music. Today, we are privileged to have him. We got an opportunity to listen to him in this evening. With this brief introduction, I present before you today's speaker, Dr. Rakesh Shaji. Over to Dr. Rakesh Shaji, sir.
Thank you so much, Pratibha ji, for this warm introduction. And also thanks to, as I said, Karnataka Lingayat Education Society. I was impressed when I looked up the colleges that you guys have. It's just amazing, 250 colleges and 125,000 plus students. So that's great. And special thanks to the, Karnataka Lingayat Society is Dr. Prabhakar, and then also Principal Dr. Sona Pannawar. And, I know that you guys almost more than 5 decades of existence, this Nijalingappa College. So that's great, and I'm honored to be part of your event, especially this event organized by National Service Scheme, Dr. Pratibha ji, and also Assistant Professor Milind Gurchal, because through him I got connected with Karnataka Lingayat Society. So I really feel honored to be here, and we have almost 200 people now, so that's great. And ideally, if this was not a COVID situation, ideally we would like to do this physically, personally, get together, and that would have been even more fun. But we are going to make the best use of the technology to bring the laughter to our life. Now, I know that this is a difficult time for everybody, not just you and everybody around the world. So it's hard to laugh. Now I'm going to go through some laughter exercises, and I'll talk about the importance of the laughter and what is laughter and other stuff. So you guys can do with me. I know I cannot see you, so I'm going to visualize myself in front of me, and I know I cannot hear you back either. So it's going to be like a one-sided lecturing, but I'll try to make it as entertaining as possible and as interactive as possible. So just follow along whatever I show you on the screen. So that will help you a lot. Now, as Pratibha said, I'm a practicing doctor here in US, and I do take care of the COVID patient ever since it has started. So that's I'm an emergency medicine physician, and the laughter yoga. See, for me, the healing is not just medicine. Healing is a complete thing, and laughter yoga is one part of it. Then meditation and the music and the medicines and other stuff come. So today, I'm going to talk about the laughter yoga and its health benefits. So what is laughter yoga? So it's not a comedy club. I'm not here to tell jokes. So we are not going to laugh at the jokes or things like that. This is actually an exercise program. Okay, it's a unique program where you do laughter as an exercise. Just like we breathe normally, right? But then we do pranayama for the health, right? So a little bit different breathing pattern for the health. Same thing, we walk normally, but then we jog or we do the exercise for the health benefit. Same thing, we normally laugh for 1 or 2 seconds at the joke or some funny situation, but that does not have a health benefit. So we are going to do the laughter yoga from the health benefit perspective. So that's going to be my focus because I'm a doctor. So that's main thing. And especially in the COVID time, we all want to stay healthy. So laughter yoga is a unique concept where we start laughter as some silly exercises, but then eventually it turns into a real laughter. Because see, our brain does not know the difference between the real laughter and a voluntary laughter, which we are going to do today. You get the same health benefit. So it doesn't matter whether you watch 1 hour long, Kapil Sharma show or something like that, or you laugh at will. So that's the main thing. Then the laughter yoga as a 2 words, laughter and yoga. That means it has got laughter and yoga. Basically, we all know it's a breathing basic. So we're going to involve some of the breathing exercises, and we're going to do some laughter exercises. Now, the happiness of our life, the celebration of the life, involves four main pillars. One is singing, dancing, like we already had a singing by Diksha, then play, dance, and laugh. These are the four pillars of the happiness in the life. So we're going to involve all those four aspects of the happiness in the today's session. So in the laughter yoga started 25 years ago. I didn't start it. So I just learned from somebody who started that. And right now, laughter yoga is in 110 plus countries, and there are thousands of laughter club. I'm sure every one of you probably came across some laughter club in a garden near you where people get together and do the laughter at will. Plus now, because of the technology, just like this, we have a lot of Zoom laughter club, and on the Skype there are laughter clubs. So it's spreading like a wildfire, and there is a reason because people are getting benefit out of it. So with this, I'm going to start some of the exercises, and then I'll talk about it a little bit in between, and then exercise in between. So that way, it stays entertaining and you stay engaged. Otherwise, if I keep talking, then you'll get bored. So the first thing we're going to do is we call it a fake it until you make it. That's the laughter exercise that we're going to do. Now, most of you never laughed at will probably in your life. So today you're going to laugh at will. See, the laughter is the best medicine. Everybody knows, and it is right under your nose. It's right here. So the first exercise, we call it as a fake it until you make it. So how do you do it? You just fake the laughter. So I'm going to show you how I fake the laughter. And I know it's a fake laughter, but still you do it. Why? I'm going to tell you in a minute. So let's start. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Just go along with me. Just look at me and just start laughing like. If you want to unmute everybody, that's fine. As long as people can, those who have a lot of background noise, they can keep themselves muted. But if you are in a quiet place, if you want to participate and turn your videos on, that would be actually good. So everybody can see you. So we will have a lot of group dynamics. But I'm okay doing myself because I enjoy laughing myself. So it doesn't matter. See what happens that when you laugh, even it's a fake laughter, who cares? See, remember that you are not in a social situation, you are in a laughter gym. So you're doing an exercise, okay? So the exercise, when you laugh, feel what is contracting. Your chest muscle and your diaphragm is contracting. So the diaphragm is basically is innervated by vagus nerve. Those who are the student of biology, Pratibha ji is HOD of the biotechnology, so I'm sure probably she read about the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is a nerve for digestion and relaxation. So when you laugh, you are contracting your diaphragm. Okay, so when you contract your diaphragm, it stimulates your vagus nerve. So vagus nerve basically slows down your heart rate, and it basically creates that relaxation. So that is the first thing you need to start thinking about, that when you laugh, you are exercising your diaphragm and the chest muscles. Okay, so that was the first laughter called fake it until you make it. Now we are all from India. I assume nobody is from outside India right now. But anyway, everybody knows the greetings called Namaste. Now, especially in the COVID time when people don't like to shake hand, the Namaste has become very popular. So this laughter, we call it as a Namaste laughter. So it's just a simple, you do the Namaste and add laughter. So when you meet somebody, not like a politician, but the genuinely you laugh at the people and sing that You can have a silent laughter also. You don't have to have a loud laughter. Like So now you might think that, you know, if sometimes you feel like, are you crazy? Why are you laughing like that? But don't worry about it. If initially you feel like it, I felt the exactly same way. But eventually I found out that if I keep laughing at will like this, eventually the real laughter in my heart will set in, and then I will be able to laugh freely. And that is where you start getting lot and lot of the health benefit. So now I see there are more than 207 people, 8 people right now. Actually, it is just keep increasing, which is a good thing. That in this difficult COVID time, everybody is looking at ways to laugh. Because see, if you laugh at the comedy or the jokes, then probably you will wait for a long time during this COVID, because not many good news are coming nowadays. It's always a depressing news. Like every morning I wake up, there's always somebody who is serious in India who is messaging me saying that I need a oxygen, I need a ICU bed, or I need a ventilator, things like that. So every single day, that's a depressing thing for most people, right? And I'm a human being too, so we all get affected. Now we have to obviously learn to be at a saksi bhav, like witness. But this laughter definitely helps, keeps us healthy. So I want to give a round of applause to the whole Karnataka Lingard Education Society and your college and all the faculty and all the students who are here with me to learn about the laughter yoga. So we're going to give everybody, we use the word round of applause, right? So applause and round. So we are going to make it as a laughter exercise. How do we do it? Like this, okay? This is a round of applause.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೇ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯೋಗ.
So now we're going to add one more dimension to this. We call it the childlike playfulness. If you look at the kids, they're not really humorous people, right? The little kids, but they laugh so heartily. Why? Because they laugh at the body level. We as an adult, we kind of listen something and we try to judge whether it's a humorous or not, and then our intellect will tell us, okay, now we have to laugh. So we say, ha 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 ha. But if we act like a child, not become a childish, but act like a child, then the laughter will come automatically. So one of the exercise we do to feel like a child is calling, like if a little kid does something good, what we do? We say, very good, very good, yay! So every few exercise, I'll be repeating these things, okay? Very good, yay! Very good, yay! So now you will say that, why do I need to do the laughter yoga and not watch a Tom and Jerry or some comedy show? Yeah, you can do that. We're not against that. I do still watch those comedy because I love comedy. But at the same time, to get the health benefit of the laughter yoga, the laughter has to be sustained. Now think about it. When was the last time you laughed for more than 2 minutes? Most people won't be able to remember last time they laughed for more than 2 minutes, right? Because we don't get that many chances to laugh in the life. We have forgotten to laugh. So when we deliberately sit down as a part of the laughter club or laughter group, that is when we get a sustained laughter. Like today, even though I cannot hear you, I cannot see you, I know that many of you are probably laughing. Some of you are just laughing at me. That's fine. No matter how you laugh, but as long as you laugh, that is a good thing. So when you laugh at the laughter yoga, it's a sustained laughter, because for you to get the most benefit out of it, it has to be at least 10-15 minutes a day. So this is what we are going to do today. So that is the first benefit of why you should use the laughter yoga on top of watching the humorous or comedy movies or shows or anything related to that. Okay. So now we're going to move on to the next exercise, which is I call it the body cleansing exercises. So the first thing is that every morning we wake up, we look at our WhatsApp, and it is filled with so many negative stuff. I'm sure there's some good thing also in the WhatsApp, but many times people are just forwarding a lot of junk. Plus, when you turn the TV on, it's a negative all over. So it's hard to stay positive, hard to laugh, and our brain is cluttered with all the negative. So, for example, if your teeth are, if you have some stuff in between your teeth, what you do a dental floss, right? Flossing you do in the mouth, because that's how you stay healthy. So in the laughter yoga, we have a thing called mental floss. So we are going to clean our brain. Okay. So how do we clean our brain? So you imaginary, you just say that you have this floss in your hand. So you kind of make it tight. So now you have this mental floss. So we are going to do this laughter exercise called mental floss. So, okay. So take it like this. Okay, with both the hands, and start doing the mental floss. You can do like this also. They're doing the different direction. So now we have cleaned our brain with the dental, not the dental, but the mental floss. But sometimes even if you do the dental flossing, you still have some stuff left in your teeth, right? Between your teeth. So you need a deep cleaning at that time. So now with the brain, we can do the deep cleaning, but we can actually do the brain wash. So I'm right now actually doing a brain wash to all of you, right? That's what it looks like it. So how do we do the brain wash? Simple. You take the brain out and wash it. So how do we do it? So that's the next exercise. We call it the brain wash. So how do we do it? So open your brain, like keep your hand like this. Open your brain. We will all become a neurosurgeon. So you open your skull, take your brain out, put it in your hand, and start washing it. And some of you are very intelligent, very genius like people, and you might have a way bigger brain than me. So your brain may be a lot bigger. So you have to wash like this. So now you washed your brain, so your brain is all clean. So what you do, you put it back, make sure you put it back in, otherwise how you're going to function. Okay, so you put the brain back in and make sure you close your skull. Okay, so you did the mental flossing, you did the brainwashing, and now one more thing we have to clean, because your brain may be clean, but then at the same time your heart has to be clean also, because that is the secret of happy life: clean brain and clean heart, right? So we are going to clean our heart also with the laughter exercise. So see, this is how you try to create the laughter in your life with the same simple daily routine thing, but just giving a little bit of twist to that. So now how do we clean our heart? So my heart is here, so I'm going to get my heart, and I got my heart out. I'm going to put it in my hand, and I'm going to start cleaning it. Now, as I said, some of you have a very big heart, and you want to help the whole world. So those people with a very big heart, like you have a very big heart, so like this. Now your heart is clean. Let's put it back in. Okay. So very good. Very good. Yay! Now, as I said, laughter yoga has a yoga part too, right? So it's nothing like Ramdev Baba, it's just a simple thing. I'm not a yoga guru or anything, but we do simple, we call it the vital capacity laughter. Now, what is the vital capacity laughter? Those of you who are a student of science and who has studied the physiology probably may be able to understand what I'm saying, but I'm going to try to keep it very simple so actually everybody can understand it. Like when we breathe normally, like when I'm sitting and talking, fixed amount of the air goes in, fixed amount of the air comes out. That is called tidal volume. Tidal, tidal volume. That's a normal breathing. But like when you breathe deep, that's an extra air that you took in. That is called inspiratory reserve volume, IRV. That is a tidal volume is called TV. Then the inspiratory reserve volume is called IRV. And then when you breathe out forcefully, that is expiratory reserve volume, that is a ERV. So the IRV that you take extra in, that is an oxygen that you're taking extra, and ERV that is an expiratory reserve volume, that is an extra carbon dioxide that you are pushing it out. So IRV, that is the inspiratory reserve volume, vital capacity, and ERV, expiratory, all these three is considered as a vital capacity. Then there is a residual volume, but you don't have to think about that right now. But just think these three things. So when you do normal breathing, you are not getting that extra oxygen. And when you're doing normal exhalation, you are not getting rid of that carbon dioxide, which is staying in your lungs. So as you know that in COVID-19, the lung is the most affected organ. Most people die because of the lung problem, right? I'm sure everybody knows about it by now. So the best way to keep your lungs healthy is to breathe at the vital capacity. Now, it's not possible to continuously breathe like that. That's it's not possible, but at least you can do few minutes in a day, either with the pranayam or you can use the laughter yoga exercise I'm going to show you, because then it will be fun and exercise together. Like sometimes you get bored just by doing Kapalbhati and Anulom Vilom, but or Bhastrika Pranayam. But if you do with the laughter exercise, it becomes fun. So this is how we do the vital capacity laughter. So if you remember the physiology that you have to breathe extra and you have to exhale extra. So how do we breathe extra? So you extend your arms like this and then bring it in like, so you're basically breathing extra and then hold it and let's do it again. So this is called vital capacity laughter. So you're combining the yogic breathing with the laughter. Okay. So now there are some laughter which are favorite for the kids. Kids love it and I love it too. And one of them is we call it the magic laughter. So I'm going to show you a few exercises of the magic laughter. There are thousands of exercises in the laughter yoga, and obviously I cannot show you everything. But I have a group, WhatsApp group. If anybody wants to be part of my sessions coming up in the future, I'll send a link to either Pratibhaji or Milinji, and they can forward it to you. But the magic laughter is very simple. Like kids, I'm going to do a magic. Okay. So like these are my fingers, right? So I'm going to bring it together. A, A, A. Let's do it again. A, A, So I magically join my two fingers. A, A, A. Now I'm going to do another magic. A, A. Kids love it. I love it too. That's how you become a child. And that's how the childlike playfulness comes out. This may look silly, but there's a lot of science behind it. When you become silly like this, you internally start secreting a lot of feel good hormone that I'm going to talk about it in a minute. So then there's another laughter we call, depending upon where you are, you can give it a different name. Like if you are in Punjab, you can call it the lassi laughter, or if you like milk, you can call it the milkshake laughter. If you don't like lassi or milk, and if you like to drink alcohol, then you can call it as a cocktail laughter. But the thing is same. So how we do it? Like if you remember how people used to make lassi in good old days, where they used to mix from one glass to another glass. So we're going to do the same thing, and kids love it. And how do we do it? So imagine two glasses in your hand, and you're pouring lassi from one full glass to the empty glass. Okay, so we're going to do like this. Eh, eh, eh. Let's do it again. If you want to call it the milkshake laughter, now we're doing the milk. Eh, eh, eh. Now some say, well, I want to have a drink. Okay, so well, I don't drink myself, but if you drink, then here is a cocktail laughter. Same thing. So if because I don't drink, I'm going to throw that away. Okay. Eh, eh, eh. Now, just look at this. The way I laughed, that is called deep laughter. Because some of you might think that why do I need a laughter yoga? Like first thing I said that the laughter has to be sustained. The second thing is it has to be deep. Because if you remember, I just told you about the diaphragm and parasympathetic system. See, some people laugh at the lip level. Some people laugh a little bit at the mouth level. Some people laugh at the throat level. Some people laugh at the heart level. But very few people can laugh at the belly level. It's called belly laugh. Now, belly laugh is best for the health because it contracts your diaphragm and it helps you do the deep breathing. Plus, it helps with the vital capacity big time because you're kind of using more and more air. But it's not that practical. You cannot laugh like that in the quote unquote real life. You basically, people will say these guys crazy. Once in a while you can laugh like that, but if you keep laughing like that, people will consider as a lunatic. So this is where the laughter yoga comes in the picture, where you basically are going to do the deep laughter. So just do with me deep laughter. So this deep laughter has a lot of benefit. Now, the other reason for us to use the laughter yoga is because the laughter has to be unintentional. Like I said, if you wait for somebody to tell you a joke, then you're going to wait for a long time. While in this laughter yoga, we don't wait for anybody to make us laugh. We just laugh because that's how we are going to stay healthy. So that is another reason. Now the next laughter we call is a zipper laughter. Okay, so zipper laughter is very simple. I'm going to show you. It's just people again say kids love it too, and even adults. Why not? Okay, so here is the zipper laughter. So we're going to use the mouth zipper. So how do we do it? Yeah. And then zip gets stuck. So you can come up with any variation of the zipper laughter. And then the similar like vertical is a curtain laughter or a peekaboo laughter. You can make it peekaboo like this. side peekaboo. Let's do the zipper laughter again. Very good. Very good. Yay! Very good. Very good. Yay! So let's do the vital capacity breathing exercise, because that's how we're going to gain the oxygen back. Because when you keep laughing, sometimes if you're not done this before, you might feel tired. So now this vital capacity exercise is going to help you gain the oxygen. Okay, let's do it. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. One more time. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. So, what are the benefits of the laughter yoga? You must have realized that laughter yoga is an instant mood elevator. No matter how grave situation you are in, if you learn to laugh, you're going to elevate your mood instantly, because emotion creates the emotion. We might think that, oh, if I feel happy, then I'll laugh. No, it is actually other way around. You can do it. If you act, you will feel happy. Okay, not that it's going to change your life situation, but at least it will put you in a different mood. So laughter is an instant mood elevator. Plus, laughter reduces the stress. Like, there are hormones, we actually call them a stress hormone. Like, if a dog is chasing you, or if a tiger is chasing you, you're going to run away from that, and that time your body secretes the hormones called stress hormones, which are basically steroid hormone and epinephrine and norepinephrine. And it is required, because that's how you're going to run fast. Your heart is going to run fast. But the current life, especially in the COVID, the stress is so much that your body continuously secretes the stress hormone, which is steroid and epinephrine and norepinephrine, and that's not good for you in the long term, because all those hormones causes the weight gain and the blood pressure and the stomach ulcer and heart attack and the strokes and a lot of other stuff. So that fight and flight response is temporarily good, but eventually what we all need is the feel good hormones and a parasympathetic nervous system, that is the vagus nerve. So anytime you feel good, there are only four hormones, four chemicals major, these are playing in the role. Okay, I call it as a DOES, DOES. D for dopamine. When do you secrete dopamine? Is when you achieve something. Like if you pass your final exam in the college, you're going to feel great. Achievement causes a dopamine to come out in your body, so you feel great. Then O for oxytocin. Oxytocin is the enzyme secreted after mother gives birth to a child, so that helps, it creates the breast milk. So that is, oxytocin is a motherly hormone, which is love hormone. When you feel love for somebody, that's when oxytocin is secreted. Then endorphin is like your natural painkiller in the body. So when you learn to handle the life, your body is full of endorphin, because you can handle any pain without much disturbances. And as for serotonin, so when you do something good for somebody, that is when your body secretes the serotonin. So all these four hormones, when you do a laughter yoga, your body starts secreting. So your stress goes down, your feel good hormone goes up, so your immunity goes up, because your body has a immune system that comprises of natural killer cells, B cells, T cells. I'm sure most of you know about those things. So there is a scientific reason behind the laughter yoga, because it reduces your stress hormone level, it increases your feel good hormone, which are, as I said, dopamine, oxytocin, endorphin, and serotonin. So it goes up, and because of that, your body's immune cells, which are the natural killer cells, the macrophages, the B cells, the T cells, they all get activated and you don't get COVID. I'm not guaranteeing anything, but I've been working with the COVID patient for almost a year and a half now, started last December. So, but luckily never touched me. Okay, I'm thankful to the God that it never touched me, but part of the credit I gave it to laughter yoga also, not the whole credit, but part of the credit that it helps me basically build my immunity. So now, since we're talking about COVID, let's do some COVID exercises because we have to find a laughter in the pain. Like when you go out, nowadays, as I said, people don't shake hands. So the human nature is to touch and feel the other human being. But since we are not able to do it right now, okay, it hurts. But then we have to make a laughter yoga out of it. So this is, we call it the electric handshake. So when somebody tries to shake hand with you, you basically get electric current. So, and that's how we are going to make it a laughter exercise. So let's assume that you're going to shake hand with me. So I'm going to extend my hand to you and then like this. Okay, I'm like this and then electric current. Once again. So if you be somebody try to shake hand without shaking hand, okay, electric current. Or you can virtually do the same thing, towards your camera. You can turn, advance your hand and so that's a electric handshake. And I already told you about the namaste laughter, because namaste laughter is also part of the COVID protocol that we follow. Is that when we greet people, we say and then next one, you know we never used to wash our hands so much before COVID, but now everybody washes the hand, and we everybody carries the hand sanitizer. So next laughter is a hand wash laughter. So let's take some hand wash and start washing our hand, cleaning our hand. Very good. Very good. Yay! Now, another thing in COVID is the social distancing, right? Everybody knows about social distancing, and nobody knew about it 3 years back. So, if somebody comes close to you, what do you say? So that's the social distancing laughter. I hope you are doing with me. That way you will get, just by watching, you're not going to get the benefit. It's like swimming. You have to get into the water to learn swimming, right? So same thing with the laughter yoga. You start doing, and that's how you start learning. And these are just a small glimpse I'm showing you. If anybody is interested to kind of do it regularly, you can always message me. And then there is a temperature leveling. Like we used to take a temperature by putting a thermometer here and under the tongue, but no more. Now we have those guns to check the temperature on your forehead. So okay, so let's do the temperature laughter. Okay, so here is the temperature gun. So you're at the airport, or when I go to the hospital, they check my temperature every day because they want to make sure that I don't have fever, right? So when you see your temperature normal, you feel happy, right? So let's do it. Very good. Very good. Yay! The other thing is the mask. I know a lot of people don't like mask, but I think for at least next year or so, we are going to be with mask anyway. So we might as well start laughing at the mask thing, right? Means it does protect us, so we all should wear it anyway. So here we go, like mask. So now there are a few more laughter that I'm going to show you. I know we are kind of running out of time by a little bit. So the other benefit of the laughter yoga is it's a great social connector. Look at right now, if it was not for laughter yoga, I would not be talking to all of you guys. So it's an honor to be talking to every one of you. But I give credit to laughter yoga because through that I was able to get connected with you guys. Now there are a few more laughter. We call it a cell phone laughter. We all use cell phone all the time. So now we have to make a fun out of it. So how do we do it? Okay, like you're on the cell phone. Oh, oh, oh. You can do the silent laughter on the cell phone. Or deep laughter. Or you can have multiple phones. Very good. Very good. Yay! Now there is an argument laughter. Like think about it. If you're laughing and arguing with somebody, how long the argument will last, right? Not long. Okay. So let's argue with somebody. Very good. Very good. Yay! Now I'm going to uh, kind of talk about we call it the 1 minute laughter. Just think about it. When was the last time you laughed continuously for 1 minute? Okay, so we're all going to laugh for 1 minute, and after that, I'm going to have maybe a little bit short Bollywood dance music. You can dance with me. It's called a laughter dance. There's no lyrics, nothing like that. It's a very simple thing, but you will get a kick out of it, and you will see how we combine the sing, laugh, dance, and play in the whole laughter yoga thing. So the next we're going to do is we call it as a 1 minute laughter. So just for 1 minute, for no reason, laugh for no reason, just continuously laugh, okay, for 60 seconds, and you will be surprised how good it feels to laugh for 1 minute. And you will also be surprised to see that it's very difficult to continuously laugh for 1 minute. Okay, so here we go. My wife is also joining with me. She's also laughing. Oh, it can be fake laughter, it's okay. Come on, start laughing. Very good. Very good.
Very good.
Yay!
Yay.
So these are in nutshell some of the laughter exercises. Now I'm going to just for maybe 2-3 minutes, I'm going to play we call it the laughter yoga dance, and I'm going to show you some of the moves, and you can do with me. It's very easy and it's a lot of fun. So let's do it together, and then we will conclude the session.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Laughter Yoga Dance.
Can you hear?
Are you ready? 1,
Yes, sir. Yes, it's audible.
3, 4.
Do with me.
Hello, music is not audible, sir.
Music is not audible, sir.
Just follow my steps. Ha, ha, ho, ho, 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 ha. Yeah! Yeah! Ha, 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 ha. Yeah! Ho, ho, ha.
Oh, oh, ha, ha, oh, oh, ha, ha, ha. है नहीं क्या सब
Ha, ha, ha. Yeah! Ha, 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 ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Yeah! 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 Very good. 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 All right. Well, it's a long 15-minute dance, but because of the time, we won't be doing the whole thing, and we will do it hopefully next time. So that was in nutshell about the laughter yoga, and I will forward the link to my group if anybody wants to be part of the next session that I'll be doing. And I do a lot of sessions on the health and laughter yoga and wellness. So you're welcome to join that group. With that, I'm done and back to the host. And thank you once again, KLE Society, and also the college and all the faculties and all the students who participated and organized this event and invited me for this great event. Thank you so much. Back to principal or Pratibhaji or Milind, whoever wants to take over.
Thank you, sir. That was really a great
Thank you, sir. That was really a great
moment to us. You
moment
made
to us.
our day, and there was
our
so much
day,
taking
and there was-
message that really helped a lot. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, you can unmute yourself.
Sir, you can unmute yourself. Okay, okay. Oh, mine was muted?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So when did you get muted?
Now,
I
just
didn't
now,
know
just
that.
now. No.
No, just
Oh,
no. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, so yeah, thank you very much, everybody. And it was a great honor to be with you and hope to see you again.
Just a minute, sir.
Thank you.
Just a minute, sir.
Yeah, thank you,
Be with us,
Principal,
sir.
sir. Thank you, Pratibhaji. Yeah, sorry.
Thanks. Now, I request our Honorable
Now, I
Principal,
request
Dr.
our
Anand
Honorable
Kumar B.
Principal,
Sonapanaka,
Dr.
sir,
Anand Kumar B.
to deliver
Sonapanaka,
a presidential
to
remarks.
deliver
Over
a
to you,
presidential
sir.
remarks. Over to you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Thank you, Pratibha.
Okay, thank you,
Uh,
Pratibha.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank-
Rakesh Saha.
Thank you, Dr. Rakesh Saha.
Thank you.
Really, it is a wonderful
Really, it is a
session,
wonderful
sir.
session, sir.
Thank you.
So, respected Dr. Rakesh
Respected
Saha,
Dr. Rakesh
MD
Saha,
Atlanta,
MD Atlanta,
and the principal of our KLE sister institutes, Dr. Uma Nerle, and a number of my colleagues from my sister institutes of the KLE Society, and HODs, coordinators, and
coordinators,
my
and
all dear student
my
friends.
all dear student friends.
Today we are very lucky enough to have
Today we are very lucky enough to have
Dr. Rakesh Shah,
Dr.
who has
Shah,
given a wonderful
who has given a
session.
wonderful session.
Practically, he has explained how
He has
laughing
explained
will
how
help the
laughing
human
will
being
help
to
the
get rid
human
out
being
of the many
to get
kind of
rid
the
out of
diseases
the many
and
kind of the
how to
diseases
improve the immunity
how
of
to improve
the
the
human
immunity
body.
of the human body.
As per my knowledge, sir,
As per my
actually,
knowledge,
this kind of laughing
this kind of
was
laughing
started by Dr. Madan
started
Kataria
by Dr. Madan Kataria
from Mumbai in 1995.
Yes.
from Mumbai in 1995.
So
Yes.
this is the information I little
So
bit
this
know.
is the information
So
I little
still,
bit know.
as you know,
So
you are
still,
giving the
as you
lot of
you are giving
information, sir.
the lot of
In India
information, sir.
also, number of
In India
the
also,
laughing clubs they
number
have
of
started,
laughing clubs
but
they have started.
scientifically,
But
medically, you
scientifically,
explained the lot of
medically, you
applications
explained the lot of applications
of the laughing.
of the
Usually
laughing.
earlier we used to know that
Usually
only
earlier we used to know that
whenever
only
you listen to the
whenever
jokes and all
you
that,
listen to
that
the
laughing will
jokes
be
and all
helpful.
that laughing will be helpful.
But now we are understood
But
that
now
even
we
the
are
laughing
understood that even the
voluntarily,
laughing
that also
voluntarily,
makes a lot of benefit
that
upon
also
the
makes
health.
a lot of benefit upon the health.
So
So
I have to congratulate
I have to congratulate
NSS officer Dr. Pratibha,
NSS officer Dr.
and
Pratibha,
really I'm very much
and
thankful to
really
Dr.
I'm very
Rakesh
much
Shah
thankful to Dr. Rakesh
on
Shah
behalf of Board
on
of
behalf of
Members, KLA
Board of
Management
Members, KLA Management
Society, Belagavi,
Society, Belagavi,
and on behalf of all my
and on behalf of all
faculty
my
and students,
faculty and
once
students,
again, on
once
bottom
again,
of the heart, I am very much
bottom of
thankful
the
to you,
heart,
sir,
I am very much thankful to you, sir,
because we got a very good
Thank you.
the
Thank you
we
so
got a
much.
information
very good
that entire
information
India
that
is now
entire
facing,
India is
and we are
now
fighting and
facing,
struggling
and we are
in against
fighting
to
and
the
struggling against
COVID-19.
the COVID-19.
But this is a one solution for
This
us
is a one
because
solution for
we
us
are
because
in India, we
we
are
are in
suffering
India, we
from the
are
lack of oxygen
suffering from the
and
lack
lack
of
of some
oxygen
medicines.
and lack
But
of some
still,
medicines. But
to
still,
some extent, this
to
laughing,
some extent,
even it
this
help all
laughing,
our students
even it
and our
help all our
faculty so that
students
we
and our
can
faculty
improve
so that
our
we can
immunity.
improve our immunity.
So, okay,
Yes.
once again, sir, on behalf
Okay,
of
once
me
again,
and
sir,
my
on
own,
behalf of
I'm
me and
very,
my
very
own,
much thankful to
I'm
you, sir.
very, very much
Thank you.
thankful to you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much. And
Thank
just
you.
one more thing, Dr. Madan Kataria, actually, I'm personally mentored by him. He used to be in Bangalore, but now I think he's moved in Nasik. So I talk to him on a regular basis. So I'm trained by him in the laughter yoga. So I'm a
Okay.
certified laughter yoga teacher also. So
Okay.
he's a great guy, and he's the one who guides me on this. Yeah, he was supposed to be on this, but I guess probably he's got busy or something
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
sir. Wonderful, sir. Wonderful.
Yeah,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Wonderful, sir.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
everybody.
you for joining us, sir.
Thank you for
In
joining
future,
us,
if
sir.
possible, we'll see that
possible.
we conduct a one-day session, one-day workshop with you, if possible. If you agree, we can do that.
If you agree, we can do that.
Sure. Means you mean how to like training course for the laughter yoga, you mean, or the laughter yoga
It will be
system?
like a training course. In future,
It will be
if you
like a
agree, we'll
training
do
course.
that.
In future, if you agree, we'll do that.
Sure. We will. Yeah, there is a thing called basic learning course that I can do where how you can make a laughter part of your daily life and how you can share the laughter with the family. This was just like a glimpse of the laughter yoga, but then those who are interested, they can go a little bit deeper into it and say, you know what, how can I do all those things? So those who are interested in that way, we can always do a training session. It's called basic laughter yoga learning course. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Now I request Ms. Alka Goyal,
I request Ms.
in
Alka Goyal,
volunteer to present vote of thanks to
volunteer
this
to
August
present vote
gathering.
of thanks to this August gathering.
Over to Barka.
Over to Barka.
Hello everyone, good evening one and
Hello
all.
everyone, good evening one and all.
Respected today's speaker,
speaker,
IQAC coordinator, NSS program officer, heads of various departments, delegates, NSS volunteer and my dear friends. I am Barka Goyal, NSS volunteer, KLS.
NSS volunteer, KLS.
This is my privilege to propose the vote of webinar. I would like to share the purpose of this international webinar by quoting, if you want to stay healthy and happy, then all you need is a carefree laugh. As we know, laughter is the best therapy for all the things, and it is also the best yoga. and its significance was told us by Dr. Rakesh Shah, sir. On behalf of the management, principal, heads of various departments, NSS program officer, faculty, and students, we express sincere thanks to today's eminent speaker, Dr. Rakesh Shah, sir, for investing his precious time and addressing us during his busy schedule. Once again, thank you, sir, for joining and accepting our invitation. We also extend our sincere thanks to our principal, Dr. Arun Kumar B. Sonapawar, sir. Sir is an enthusiastic, dynamic person, a driving force for our institution, who constantly support us, guide us, and encourage us in conducting various programs. Thank you, sir, for your unconditional support.
Thank you.
express-
Thank you.
We express we express our thanks to our management, principal, IQAC coordinator, NSS program officer, heads of various departments, faculty, delegates, NSS volunteers, and my dear friends for your active participation in today's international webinar on laughter yoga. I hope today's webinar made us imbibe different techniques of laughing and making our health better. An event of this dimension cannot happen overnight. It needs dedication and it requires meticulous planning and execution. It is because our determination and involvement to take on and the completion of tasks beyond our comfort zone. And that was our principal and NSS program officer team and its hard work which made today's international event turn into a grand success. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our NSS program officer, Dr. Pratibha K.S. ma'am, for providing this opportunity to propose vote of thanks for today's webinar. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone, for making it a grand success. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Ma'am, you're muted. Ma'am, you're muted.
Okay, sorry. Thank you. Thank you, Barka Goel, for wonderful vote of thanks. I thank Milan Gautam sir from Mumbai Keli College for his continuous support in organizing this kind of event. And finally, again, I would like to extend thanks to Dr. Rakesh sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
We'll see.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank
bye.
you, Dr. Rakesh, sir.
Thank you.
Dr. Rakesh.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night.
Thank you, Dr. Rakesh.
Thank you, Dr. Rakesh.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.